Today we're going to Taichung, but I'm a little bit late, so let's see us later.
Some boy don't know if it talk, say me a talk up. Me a tell you say me a beg you a fuck. Me a tell you say me a beg you a fuck. Belly flat, belly mark up. Big fat cocky make your pussy cock up. Me a tell you say me a beg you a fuck. Me a tell you say me a beg you a fuck. Girl, wind up your body and wind to the top. Turn around for your back shot. Post panic cocky like it's a drop top.
Guys, I just got off the bus. I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna meet my friend Shen Ji. So yeah, see you soon. Literally temples everywhere. It's so cute.
三杯中卷、红烧排骨、台式炒茄子、芋头酥、鹅仔煎、糖醋鱼。
Cindy's father invited us to eat food. It was really delicious. I tried many Taiwanese foods and now we're gonna go visit. To visit a place, I don't know the name, but it's like Hongdae, like in Korea, people who knows. And now we're gonna visit the Lantern Festival, like Taichung Lantern Festival.
Oh man, I can't breathe. And my nigga say I can't eat. And I know we enter this road cause of bandits. Understand me before you pick it contraband me. Always thought when I'm to 83 I will win the Grammy. They want
to eat at FengChia night market and it's really nice. Ordering Stinky Tofu.
Very famous.
Then let's try it.
Do you okay to handle this food?
Many food. First, Stinky Tofu here. Dumplings. We also have here like traditional Taiwanese pancake. And this one.
大肠包小肠.
And this and sweet potato balls.
Yeah.
Yeah. Try Stinky Tofu.
Do you like this? It's not smell bad.
It smells a little bad, but
you can accept this.
So it's like 12 o'clock. I'm really tired, like the day was so full and like we talk a lot with Cindy, so I'm really tired. But it was such a good day. Like Cindy's so nice, like she's so sweet, and I'm really excited because tomorrow we're gonna go to like a lake. I don't remember the name, but it's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna go with her dad and her. He's gonna drive us there, and yeah, it's gonna be so nice. We're gonna have like cable cars, and yeah, so see you tomorrow.
Big y'all them a ball, pass you les plis, will y'all les acabay depuis l'époque 9-7-3-10. Rive que full style, paille qu'on fait d'artifice, t'en dédie à yo cabay, pas vin raconter mon bêtise. Man a star boy, a tout mon plaisir, des pété y'en les yo le dimanche en que aille les gars qui rive en yo tête si yo disrespect. Comment enemies mérite bullet. Bullet, big fat papa bullet, bullet. Real bad man pas qu'à courir qu'on fucking sauve. Tous hand bad boy do it, do it. Pas blindé mon tête que foolishness now. Pas mettre ton doigt ton forme au business, yeah. Real toggy papa.
Right now we are at Sun Moon Lake and we're riding a boat, guys. Eggs in tea. It's like Taiwanese traditional egg tea.
我穿梭着城市的 neon light， 最莫名的预感。今晚我又要醉了，到底怎么办？想不到该从哪里 begin， 我不要哪里一堆虾米，想离座台没12点。 这上 Tory NT 随便 Oh I don't care Where we go 因为 I know 到5点钟全国线为5点15分一搭上15分一搭上为5点很期的是第一组上后面就死了哈你用线画下去的
OK，
谢谢。Already the end of the day. It was so nice, guys. I'm gonna back to Xiluo now.